5 dreams and their interpretations. Road dreams. 1. If you find yourself on a road, that's your life's journey. 2. The type of vehicle indicates how fast you are going, by foot, bicycle, car, etc. In some cases you may be traveling by plane. That means a next level of your life's journey. 3. Whoever is driving the car is in control of your life. You should be driving the car. If someone else is driving the car, you are not in control, usually by witchcraft. Follow Jamaican True Stories on TikTok for more interpretations. 4. If there is anything blocking the road, something is in the way. If there is no roadblock, that is a good sign. 5. If the vehicle is swerving, it means that you are losing control of your life. Remember, bad dreams are warnings of dangers ahead. Warning dreams are signs that you need to pray. The Book of Dreams is coming soon with more detailed interpretations.